So, I am going to drop si Luke sa school. Ito naman, ayaw niya yung kanyang... Okay. Okay, we take it off. Ayan. Tara. Open the door.
Make sure to look after my baby today.
I will.
Make sure to...
So, umulan siya. Let's go, Lucky. Maulan siya ng bongga, kaya yung weather. Pero hindi naman siya,
I wanna put him in the farm.
no, hindi naman siya malamig. No, I'll just hold him like this so it's easier.
Mom, yesterday I did not like going in town.
Oo, ayaw niyang sumama sa town kasi ito, umiyak ng
Baby,
umiyak
he
sa
was just
town.
flying like crazy.
Ayun yung
It's better just
makulimlim.
staying home and looking after the midget.
It's very makulimlim. Si Lucky is ready to go to school. So, mag-drop off ulit kami. Ayan kami. Pasok kami sa loob kasi it's a bit cold outside. Ang bigat ng door. Ayan. Ayan. No one's here. Oh, everyone's here. Na-pick up na si Luke. So, ayan, pauwi na kami before mag-start ang rain. Oh my gosh, tingnan mo naman yung ulan, oh. Parang sobrang lakas, ha? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Nakaloka. Ay, nako.